Hi there, this video's going to show you tips and tricks on how to find good quality images from the internet to use within your designs. This video is primarily meant for graphic design students, but it's valid for anyone who uses images off the internet. A good starting point is going to Google and go ahead and search for whatever you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for images of giraffes. Once I search for images of giraffes, then I want to click on the images to look at the library of images on Google, where it's pulling images from all different websites. The most important part next is clicking and looking for that Tools button. So go ahead and click on that Tools button, and now it's going to allow you a few different options to filter your search. The most important ones for me is size and usage rights. You also have options like color, type, shows you if you want to search for clip art or line drawings, and also the time, like how recent was this upload. I don't care about those. I'm looking for the size first. If you want a really good quality image with high resolution, you're going to want to change the size to large. Almost every single time I use Google Images, I look for large images. For the most part, it's now showing me pretty good quality images. The next thing I want to worry about though is usage rights. I want to make sure I'm not stealing somebody's image that I don't have permission to use in my designs. So this is a whole nother video and a whole nother lesson dealing with copyright and licensing. If you want to play it safe though, this is where you want to go ahead and filter and change that to Creative Commons licenses. Now we'll show you images where the photographer or whoever took these images are saying, yes, it's okay for you to use these images. I give you the rights to use these images. And that's very important when dealing with licensing. So I'm going to scroll through this. I'm going to look for a nice image of a giraffe to use. This one's kind of nice. Actually, I think I want to get one where I can see the legs. So I'm going to go ahead here. So you see the preview off to the right. It's a little bit bigger, but I don't want to save it yet. I want to right click on this image and I want to try to open this image in a new tab. So I right click on it. I'm working on a Mac. If you're working on a PC, I'm sure it's something similar. Open it up in a new tab, and now it shows me a larger, best quality image that I can see. This is where I can right click on it and now save image as. So right click, save image as. If you save it to your downloads folder, that will live on your computer in the downloads folder. But I want to save it to cloud storage, so I'm going to save it to my Creative Cloud Files folder so I can work on this on multiple computers. And that's where that got saved. Another option that you have, when you're on the internet, you can look for free stock image websites. And if you just Google free stock images, you'll get a bunch of great places to find more high quality images for you to use. My favorite two at the moment are Pexels.com and Unsplash. They've got great images, huge library filled with lots of different subject matters and different types of images. So let's just go to Pexels. When you go to Pexels, it has a search bar. You can click for giraffes, and that will give me a big library filled with beautiful high quality images. I never worry whenever I use Pexels or Unsplash, I never worry about finding poor quality images because they're usually filtered very nicely. Let's go ahead and click on this thumbnail. It'll open up in a larger preview, and now I can click on that button in the top right where it says free download. Click on that, pulls up a dialog box asking you where to save it. I go ahead and we save it. And then this is also the option where you can donate money to the photographer. In this case, it was Franz von Heerden. And that's how the photographers who participate in free stock image websites make their money. If you're working on a design in Illustrator, to bring those images in, open up your Illustrator file, go to File, Place. And this would be the same if you're working in Photoshop. Go to File, Place. And then it asks you to find your file, and click Place, and go ahead and click on it. It will open up, this is a really big image, so I need to zoom out by hitting Command minus, pull on the bounding box. If you hold down Shift, it keeps it in proportion, and allows me to place it that way. To place my other image, I go File, Place, find that image, hit Place, and there you can see my Google image was a little bit smaller, smaller file size, but still pretty decent size. Hold down Shift, click on that bounding box, change it, move it around however you want. And there you go. Hopefully this video helped you learn how to find high quality images on the internet, whether it's Google Images or using free stock images. If you like this video, please click on that like button to tell me that I'm doing an okay job. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.